In this class, I will tell you about the variable, and here you can see that I have created a first class file. In this, I have hello.c source file where my all codes are created and where it is easily understood by human. And I have object file which is created by compiler. And you know what is compiler? Compiler, it is translator. It will communicate in between human and machine. Okay, and it is third party translator. It convert human readable language into the machine language. Our source code file, it is human readable, and our hello.exe file, it is machine file. We can say that it is source file. What compiler do? Compiler converts source file into exe file. Okay, what compiler do? Compiler create communication in between machine and human. And what compiler do? Compiler, it is translator. Okay, and compiler also give us report if human do any mistake according to the code. Okay, so in this class I'm going to explain my variable. So that is why I have a source code file which I have copied from first of my class. Okay, here you can see I'm going to open it. I'm going on file, click on open, click on hello.c file. Okay, this is my file, and now I'm going to remove some things from here and from here, and I'm going to save it with another name. That is why I'm coming here and save as variable.c. Okay, and here in class you see I haven't, now I have deleted hello file, and this file is as a variable.c. okay, nope. So here you can see here I haven't compiled this file, so that is why it has not created any exe file. So I'm coming back here and I want to create a variable of integer and declared it with name. For suppose a, it is alphabetical name a. Okay, now I want to initialize my variable with value 3. Okay, now I have initialized. This is assignment operator, and I have assigned a value with to my variable a, and what data type of my variable is integer. Okay, I can only store number value in it. I cannot store any character value or any string value or any floating value in it. Okay, so when I store floating value, it just display me a integer value without any dotted form. Okay, so I have declared a variable with name a, and I initialize my variable a with 3, and I have assigned value. Assigned means I give value, variable or store value into the variable a. Okay, now I'm going to call this with printf. Printf means print file. Okay, here you can see here I just if I want to call variable, it is I have format specifier as well. For variable a, I have format specifier is %d. Okay, d stand for decimal. Okay, this is format specifier for variable a. Okay, and I add comma a and I call variable with name a. Okay, now it just display whatever is stored into the variable. I can create a particular a variable with format specifier. For suppose if I have data type as a character, and I call it with C. C stand for character. If I have floating point value, data type is float. So that is why I just type here. If in next class I will explain it in detail. Anyway, now just check it out what value is stored or not. That is at this time I'm going to compile my variable and just seeing is there any error or not. There is no any error in here, zero error, zero warning, and my compiler has successfully compiled the source code. Now just check it out, is that any result here? You see that compiler has successfully compiled my source code and it created exe file for machine. Now I'm going to run this object file. That is why I just click on run here, and you can see here it displayed 3. It means that I have stored value into the variable a. Okay, for suppose now at this time I just say that a equal 4. So what happened here, it override value on 3. At this time the current status and current value of variable is 3. Now in second statement, this is one line is considered as a statement. In second statement of variable, I assigned value as a 4 to the variable a. It override on 3. Now it display 4. Keep in mind what last statement status comes up, it just display last status. Okay, you can just directly display it through it. Okay, now I'm coming here, and here you can see start sign. When I press Ctrl S, it go away. It means that my file has been saved. Now I just click on run. It display me 3. Just compile it once again and go through it and run it. We just compile because when I click on run, it executed last time compiled file. That is why my result comes not updated. Okay, when I clicked on compiled, it recompiled and reproduced object file. When I click on run, it displayed me updated file. Okay, compiler displayed me updated file. So keep this thing also in your mind. I hope you clearly understand how to store value into the variable and what variable it is, and in further next classes we also store some other data type, just like a string data type. We store numbers form, we store word form, we store character form, everything. Okay, good luck, bye.